Maintenance technicians don't just have to watch over central production machinery. They also have to keep an eye on hundreds or even thousands of accessory units, such as motors, pumps, and fans. Even with regular manual inspection, unplanned failures in units like these can occur frequently. It's up to the maintenance technicians to react to these failures quickly at all times. Otherwise, there is a risk of long and costly production stoppages. Even so, constantly monitoring every single unit has never been an option until now. It would have been too complicated, too time-consuming, and above all, too expensive. That is now a thing of the past. Schaeffler Optime provides a simple and cost-effective solution that allows all units to be monitored seamlessly and automatically. The condition of every unit can be viewed at any time using the Optime app, and if problems occur, a warning is given with a lead time up to several weeks. To ensure that this works reliably, vibration and temperature data are automatically analyzed in the Schaeffler cloud. The data are supplied by wireless sensors that are mounted on the machines. Installation does not require any prior expertise and can be done quickly and easily using the Optime app. The sensor is detected and activated via near-field communication. It can now be screw-mounted directly on the machine. In this way, several hundred measurement points can be set up in a single day. The sensors connect automatically and without additional configuration to a network that can be expanded at any time. Schaeffler relies here on the leading mesh technology, which functions reliably even in large-scale configurations. The data are forwarded to the Schaeffler cloud using a gateway. The gateway itself can also be installed without excessive outlay, since it does not need to be integrated into an existing IT infrastructure. The data are analyzed in the cloud using specially developed algorithms. These algorithms are based on innovative technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence, and most importantly of all, on Schaeffler's decades of experience. As a manufacturer and developer of rolling bearings and operator of numerous factories with countless machines and facilities, Schaeffler has a wealth of expertise at its disposal. Optime quickly provides clarity. Thanks to automated, continuous data analysis, you are warned with a lead time of up to several weeks. Which machines are in good condition? Where are irregularities starting to occur? And which units urgently need to be inspected? Even when there are thousands of units spread out across different plants, Optime ensures a complete overview at all times. Schaeffler Optime changes everything. For the first time, you can monitor all machines automatically at low cost and very easily. Optime is the smart, fully comprehensive maintenance solution. Efficient condition monitoring doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Bring Schaeffler's expertise into your business.